Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I set up my generator when I have a power outage like I have right now today. So what you want to do if you have space like I have, you want to park your cars away from the generator or just have it standing somewhere in case it would catch fire, that it's kind of safe. I just have that umbrella over it because it's maybe tripling a little bit today. So that's just to make it safe. And then as you can see, you want to put your generator on a ground like I have gravel, but it can be concrete. And then you want to put it away if you have the possibility as far as possible from your house. But of course, I have a neighbor here. You don't want to put it too close to your neighbor. So what I did, I have it right in the middle of my lot, right, because I don't want to annoy my neighbor. And then I have the power lead from the generator going into my kitchen because I'm just running the fridge. And what I always do, I close all the windows on that side and then I'll seal actually that window. So because you never know if the wind blows the carbon dioxide into your space, so that's why I'm always sealing these windows a little bit. And as I said, I put it far away enough so nothing happens. What I would not recommend, the canisters for the gas, don't put them close to your generator. So I have them actually in my garden shed, far away as possible. I have a fire extinguisher close by, but that's the practice. I'll do it. And then if you have to refill gas, keep in mind you always should you have to shut down your generator, unplug the cable, then fill gas in again, then start it, and then you can put in the cable after a few, like 1 minute or so, because it needs a little time, especially if it's cold, to build up. So don't start your generator with like a power load on it. Always let it run a few minutes without a power load and then start it. But that is just a recommendation, and that's the way I set up my generator. It always works fine. And as I said, don't put it too close. If you have space like I have, don't put it too close to the home. The further away the better, but as I said, don't annoy your neighbors, which I mean, don't put it too close to your neighbors. Thanks for watching. So what you want to do, you want to seal the window if possible. Put the generator as far as possible from the home, and then you can hook up the fridge.